In this video, we will learn how to assign peak names. In other words, we will tell Compass what size our proteins of interest are so it can match a peak to a protein. Peak names are saved under an analysis group. This means that if you have an experiment that labels 3 different proteins, you can make an analysis group that will tell Compass to search for those 3 peaks in the electropherograms. These settings can be imported and exported so that you don't have to remake analysis groups. Check out the video on importing and exporting analysis settings for more information. Let's make a new analysis group. Select Edit, Analysis, then Peak Names in the Options list. Click Add. Input the name of your protein of interest and its molecular weight. The color option will change the color of the labels in the peaks and capillaries table in the analysis screen. The range determines the farthest peak from the inputted molecular weight that gets named. For example, a 40 kilodalton protein with a 10% range means that Compass will label all peaks between 36 and 44 kilodaltons as that protein. Finally, select the channel for peaks. Click Apply, then OK to save changes. Now you can see that the electropherograms are labeled, and so is the lane view. The data is now much more readable compared to before. Save time by analyzing your assay by changing which analysis groups are applied. You can make many different analysis groups for all the protein peaks you analyze in your day-to-day, then select which group to use under Apply Settings. Further, you can specify which group or cartridge to apply the analysis setting to. Here are a few other ways to name peaks. You can directly select the peak in the electropherogram, or directly select the band in the lane view. Now you know all about naming peaks in your experiment.